The vertical garden. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces, balconies, or anyone looking to add some greenery without using up too much ground. Vertical gardens are a stunning and practical choice. So you may be asking, what really is a vertical garden? Well, a vertical garden is all about growing plants upwards instead of outwards. It can be as simple as attaching a few hanging planters on a wall, or as elaborate as covering an entire fence with greenery. This approach is ideal for small backyards, patios, or any space where horizontal planting just isn't an option. Now, if you are considering a vertical garden, remember that there are many ways to set up a vertical garden. You can use wall-mounted pots, stacked planters, or even a hanging trellis with vines climbing up. For beginners, you should start small with a few pots or planters. But if you're feeling adventurous, go for a full green wall using a modular system. Now, when choosing the plants for your vertical garden, look for plants that don't mind a little crowding, like herbs, ferns, succulents, or even leafy greens. If you want a tropical look, consider philodendrons or pothos. These are hardy and grow quickly. Edible plants like basil, mint, strawberries are also fantastic choices, giving you beauty and fresh produce. Now, vertical gardens have some unique care needs. Since plants are often in smaller containers, they can dry out quickly, so keep an eye on watering. Drip irrigation systems or self-watering planters can help make things easier, especially for bigger setups. And because vertical gardens can be in partial shade, remember to rotate plants if they're not getting enough light. Vertical gardens don't just save space, they also add a beautiful focal point to any area. They're great for improving air quality and creating a lush green atmosphere. Plus, they're an eco-friendly way to garden, especially if you're growing your own herbs and vegetables. Vertical gardens are a simple, rewarding project that brings life to any wall.